We're gonna make pancakes.
Where you I will be
Hi guys, so I decided that I was gonna try Emma's Goodies pancakes. You only need 5 ingredients. It is flour, sugar, vanilla, 1 egg, and yogurt. So we're gonna start off with 3 tablespoons of flour. You know it has to be sifted in the long run, so it doesn't matter putting it in this container for the first couple of minutes because it's gonna go by real quick. So pay attention guys. So after that, I'm gonna put in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Of course it is leveled and it is in a different container because that is what you're gonna put in with your beaten egg. So you need 1 egg, you put it in the bowl real quick and then you just decide to whisk it. Also, I completely forgot that you had to put in the vanilla, so you put in the vanilla as well after that, but I just wanted to make sure that the whisk works properly. So you can see where I started whisking and then I just decided to add in the vanilla real quick after this. So yeah, you have 1 teaspoon vanilla. You put it into the egg mixture and then you just beat and then you add in your sugar while you're at it because you know we're wasting no time and we just have to make sure that it beats well or whisks well or whatever you want to call it. You can see where you know it is getting frothy now. That's what you want to do for the first couple of minutes, or maybe not so many minutes, but you know, just make sure that you watch it properly. So I added in the sugar and you could see where it's getting fluffier. Make sure that it doubles or triples in size. And yeah, I'm just really excited about this. And you're gonna want to add in the yogurt after this because it is the most important part, as Emma said. So you add in 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. She used Greek yogurt, so I'm using Greek yogurt, and it is looking like how she said it's supposed to look. So I'm pretty excited for this because I'm ready for some low calorie pancakes. So I'm following her recipe to a T. She said just to beat this for like 15 seconds. You can see the consistency changing right about now. But yeah, 15 seconds to the thing and no more no less because we are so scared for this thing to change its consistency. So like she said, don't overbeat. Do not overbeat, okay guys? So yeah, like I was saying, it's practically done. It's practically done. Jeez. So now you want to take out the whisk and replace it with something to fold in the flour. So now you want to sift the flour. Remember this step, guys. Sift the flour as Emma said. You sift it and then you end up folding in the flour into the batter or into the egg batter or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, as you see, I am sifting it to the ends of the earth because she said it's important. So yeah, it's important in my recipe too. And then like I said, you now want to fold in the flour real good. She said don't over mix, but I found that there were a lot of lumps in my own, but I still just took my time to make sure that the flour lumps came out. As you guys can see, it's still very fluffy. The mixture is still very fluffy. Like I added so much flour and sugar and egg and all that good stuff that you would with a normal pancake recipe. So I'm pretty happy for it, as you can see. So now you want to take it to the flame, guys. Take it to the flame. Make sure that your pot is hot and lightly oiled. and then you want to put in a 1/4 inch, I think it was, of the pancake batter onto the skillet or whatever you want to call this pan, and just make sure that it does what a pancake does, and you will easily get some really nice pancakes in the long run. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty excited and anticipated the flip of this pancake, so I ended up flipping it prematurely, or maybe the fire was too low, so I decided to change the fire like positions, and then it kind of looked better, but not like, oh my god, Emma's Goodies pancakes. But let's work with it. I'm sure it's gonna taste the same. I thought it would have been fluffier, but I mean, beggars can't be choosers at this moment. I guess I will try it again to just make sure that, I'm not daydreaming, that this thing is not gonna rise like, God out of the grave. But yeah, I they're looking okay, right? They're looking okay. So I waited a bit for this one, and jeez Louise, it overcooked, or whatever you want to call it. It was browner than the others, and then to make the situation worse, it wasn't the same size, so I had to put it at the bottom. But like I said, it's supposed to taste really good. Like, my sister liked it so much that I ended up making 3 more batches, and I'm gonna try it again to make sure that I get the fluffiness right, because her pancakes were very fluffy. But for what it's worth, I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because it tastes really good.